Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about weight loss. Today I'm just sharing with you guys a magical trick to reduce your weight easily at home without any exercise or any fat cutter drink. So today I'm sharing with you guys how to prepare a weight loss cream, which you just have to apply it on the weight loss area, and then after a few days your weight will reduce automatically. So now without further ado, let's prepare this cream. So to prepare this cream, the first ingredient which we need is Vicks. So you just have to take 1/4 teaspoon of Vicks in a clean bowl. After that, you're gonna need Vaseline. After that, you have to add half a teaspoon of Vaseline into it. Then you're gonna need aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel into it. After that, you're gonna need lemon, and here I'm squeezing few drops of lemon juice into it. And now lastly, you're gonna need coconut oil, and here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of coconut oil into it. And after adding all these ingredients, you just have to mix all of them really well so that they all mix with each other nicely. And once they all are nicely mixed, you will see that there is water coming out of the solution. This cream will leave the water, and you don't need that water, you just need this cream. And this cream will come together automatically. As you can see that this cream has been separated from the water, and this is your weight loss cream which you have to use to reduce your weight. So you just have to apply this cream on the areas where you want to reduce your weight, and after applying this cream you just have to massage it gently for around 5 to 10 minutes. And after giving a gentle massage to your skin, you have to wrap a plastic sheet, like a thin plastic sheet, all around that area where you have applied the cream. Then you have to leave it like that for 30 minutes, and after that just remove this plastic sheet and you just need to rinse your skin off with normal water. And for best results, you have to use this cream daily for few days to reduce your weight automatically. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.